You notice when I set the camera up, I level the tripod and then I level the head. And then I turn it around and I don't generally tilt the camera up or down. I do that so the back of the camera remains vertical, so that the verticals of thingies don't converge. I took two preview images with Viewfinder a moment ago. One of them I kept the phone back vertical and the other one I tilted it, and you can see that the poles start converging wildly. The ability to control perspective and control the shape is an important part of large format view camera movements. You can get the same thing with a tilt and shift lens. It all involves keeping the camera back vertical and adjusting the rise and fall and shift if necessary of the lens to frame the picture. Okay, let's get this going now. Now, as you'd remember with the with my previous videos, the lens is in a recessed lens board, and I have to raise it 5mm to get the bed out of the view. Okay, just let me focus. Now, where am I going to focus? Because I've got everything from there to infinity in focus. So I'm going to probably, this pole here is the closest. That's only about 2.5 meters away from the camera. My furthest distance is infinity. If I try and do some fancy shine flugs and lay the depth of field down, I'm going to lose focus at all of the tops. The infinity will be fine, but this here will be out of focus. So the best thing I can do is I can focus about there, about 1/3 into the picture. That's called hyperfocal focusing, and then stop it down to f/45. It's an overcast day, very overcast. There's no shadow at all. So it's a low contrast scene, which makes it easy for me. Very easy. 100 SA film. 11. I'm on 11. Zone 5 under 11. Zone 4, zone 3. We're talking, half second f/64. A quarter of a second f/45. There's a lot of light. It's just very diffuse. This lens only goes down to f/45. I'm doing it. And quarter of a second. Jeez. Making it easy for me, isn't it? Oh, a bit of sun's come out. Okay, well this changes things. Same exposure. It's interesting, isn't it? Beauty. I'm going to take a picture with the camera tilted to give you a feeling how it looks. Yep, exposure is about the same. Not even going to adjust the focus. Beauty. Let's go and see how it looks.